What's going on YouTube? My name is Lester Hernandez, and today we're going to be starting my YouTube channel. This playlist, pretty much this album, is going to be my road to profitability / trade recaps, and these videos are going to be made because I do not want to be writing down in a journal every single day for these things. So what am I going to do? I'm going to make quick videos, that way I can look through them during the week, and then on Sundays we're going to be also posting a video of pretty much a let's say a Sunday recap. I mean, I'm going to be looking at Monday through Friday all the trading recap videos, and on Sunday I'm going to make a video of the things that I did right and the things that I did wrong and the things that I will be implementing into next week, so we can go into next week ready to get all of our profits that we can claim. So let's hop into the charts. That way I can make this short, and that way I don't bore you guys. I know there's a lot of guys and girls that are in my same boat, so I would really appreciate it if you guys followed me and just joined my journey, so we could become a big family, and hopefully in the future I can become your mentor. At this moment, my mentor is TJR Trades. So if you want a mentor who already has a lot of experience and is a great guy, definitely go check him out. TJR Trades, he's a great guy. I'm actually in his mastermind, and I'm so excited to start it. So I'm more excited to start this video, so let's hop into it. What did we have today? For the day, it was a Monday. It's October 28th, like you guys can see, 2024. We had a no news Monday. Normally Mondays are slow, especially with the no news, but today was a great day. So we didn't have anything until like 9 a.m., which was nothing. A yellow folder means nothing to me. So what happened today? Like you guys can see, I had my highs, I had my lows, and we had this 1 hour low that we ended up sweeping. So what did I do after we swept my 1 hour low? I hop into lower time frames, which is my 5 minute. Once I hop into my 5 minute, what am I looking for? First, I'm looking for the candle that broke liquidity. Okay. Next, I'm looking for a 5 minute candle retracing up. That way I can have a high and a low once we swept liquidity, which means that next I need a 5 minute candle that breaks this high. We did not have a 5 minute candle that broke that high. So what did we do? We kept watching the market and it dumped. So what did we do? High, all the way down, a low. So what's my next high? It's this high. So what did I do? I put a line above this high in this 5 minute candle. What does that mean? That's my break of structure. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a 5 minute bullish candle to break my 5 minute structure, not with a wick but with a body closing above it. And like you guys can see, we had a closing body above this 1 and 5 minute break of structure. So what did I do once we broke structure? I go down into lower time frames and I look for my pretty much my entry point. And what's my entry point? It's either a fair value gap, an order block, or equilibrium. And in this situation, we had, like we can see, let me go right back into it. On the 1 minute time frame, we had a 1 minute small fair value gap that I was not going to miss. So what did I do? I waited for us to tap into it for the 1 minute, which we did. We went up, tapped into it to the 1 minute. So what am I looking for? Once we tap into it, I'm looking for a 3 and a 5 minute candle reaction. So what am I looking for? A 3 minute candle first, because it closes before the 5. So we go up, push into it. Like we can see, this is a black candle, which is a bearish candle. So we open here, we go all the way up, we go all the way down, and then we close over here. We had bullish, then we had bearish, and then we had bullish power. So what did I do? I waited for a higher time frame, which is my 5 minute reaction. And what did we have off that 5 minute reaction? We went up, we came down, we had this wick all the way down, and what did we do? We pushed up higher, giving me a lot of bullish power. So what did I do? Went into lower time frames. Again, it's pretty much everything has to line up in higher to lower to lower to higher. So what did we do? We waited for us to come back after this. This whole circle right here is our 3-minute reaction, and then this push over here, this is our 5-minute reaction. So what did I do? I waited for us to come back all the way down and tap into equilibrium of this fair value gap. Okay, entered right here, literally wicked into it. We only had a wick. I entered right at the equilibrium. Once I entered equilibrium, I was already in the trade, and it was time for me to accept my risk. Okay, I am a guy that worries about quality over quantity. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a 1 to 3 risk to reward trade. A lot of people, they like to go for bigger moves, but that's not me, because remember what I said at the beginning, this is my road to profitability. And if from the beginning I'm worrying over good habits, then I think that in the future there will be little things that I'll have to fix, but it won't be habits, it will just be errors. So what did we do after we tapped into it? We came all the way over here and we took out, geez, how do I get out of this brush? Okay, tapped into it, took out my first take profit. And if you guys can see this red box over here, that red box is a 5-minute fair value gap that we had. Okay, so what did we do? We went into it, and right at the equilibrium we had a reaction, and I knew we would. So what did I do? I took out one take profit over here. Once we came all the way up, this was my first take profit. My second take profit, it says it's over here, but I actually took it right at equilibrium. And what did I do? Once I hit my first take profit, I moved my stop loss all the way to break even. So what did we do? I hit my first take profit, stop loss at break even, kept going up higher. What did we do? We took out our second take profit, and what did I do? I moved my stop loss to my take profit 1. Okay, went all the way up, take profit 2 got hit, and then we came back down to take profit 1, where I actually closed out with profit rather than that break even. And since I am on the road to profitability, I am actually paper trading, and it's honestly one of the greatest things that you could do, because yes, it's paper trading, it's not real money, but the emotions are there. And once you get past the emotions, it's all repetition and experience in these markets. You know, the longer you stay in them, the more you'll see these things. You know, these things, I see them like clockwork. You know, they just pop out to me. I don't even have to go looking for them like I used to, which is great. So yep, we hit 1 take profit, 2 take profits. It would have been great if we hit take profit 3, but what are we here for? We're here to capitalize on what the market gives us, not on what we want the market to give us. I'll go ahead and I'll show you guys. Today I made a total profit of $1,133.50. It's not real, I wish it was, but like you can see, this was my first contract, second contract, and this was my final contracts being closed out. So this was day 1 of my road to profitability / trade recap. So I hope a lot of you guys can get a lot of these videos, a lot of knowledge out of these videos. I'm probably speaking really fast, but over time I'm going to work on how I can make these videos shorter and with more knowledge. So this is day 1. I hope that you guys like this video, and I'll be back with you guys tomorrow with a new video with more knowledge, and let's hope it's a green day and not a red day. So yep, peace.